Lamborghini North Los Angeles proudly presents this 2019 Lamborghini Huracan LP580-2. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 580 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with rear-wheel drive. This car is finished in a gorgeous Arancio Borealis exterior and Nero Ade leather interior. This Huracan comes well optioned, including Pearl Effect Arancio Borealis exterior, transparent engine bonnet, Forged Composites engine bay, brake calipers in orange, sport exhaust, electric and heated seats, TECHNO pack, garage door opener, branding package, and much more.